hate me, hate the game, baby. Do not hate me, hate the game, baby. Do not hate me, hate the game, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl The Real Down Fun, and I'm back with another video. This is gonna be a vlog, just a regular outside vlog, and we're gonna get right into it. Okay. So we are at the donut spot. Jada, look, she already embarrassed. I'll show y'all how it look in here. It's kind of packed though, and it's small, so it's really packed.
I've been running my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too out there. Oh, baby, you can get.
Okay, so I got the little mochi donut. Jada got the same one. Once again, we're at another spot who gave her a free something because they forgot that they gave her one. So they gave her another one. And then I got the brown milk tea. And then we got the what? Passion fruit green tea. Jada, what you got? Ube. And then what type of donut? And then churro donut.
Number 155.
Jada, donut 110. What's the difference?
I'd probably say like a 8.5, 9. What you think?
I'm asking this bitch. Me too. I'm thinking maybe like, yeah, like a 9. It's good. I'm just saying, you're done at 1 through 10.
Oh, 10. 10 for sure.
10? Cool. Now we just went on our corn dog. I had this salmon.
Get you too out there. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says
Our corn dogs. Okay, cool. We all got hot Cheeto.
Did we?
Yeah. You got half and half, right? And then both of us got just cheese.
But did you need it?
You got just mozzarella and hot Cheeto. And Jada got Cheeto, but she got half hot dog, half mozzarella. So we're gonna dig right in. Ain't gotta wait no time. But I got spicy mayo as my sauce. Dion ain't get no sauce.
I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby?
Everybody hot Cheetos still don't be tasting like hot Cheetos afterwards. They still hot everything. But it still tastes like hot Cheetos.
That's what I was drinking. It's like it's fresh
So crazy, baby. I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space.
make it like a
I
crisp.
know y'all had some before. That's our first time ever.
It's 10 out of 10 for you? Yeah, we had it before.
So we can have this before. Yeah.
Yeah, never had like the Korean corn dog.
Eat it, baby, I'm late, but I check in with you. My body's saying, all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. But baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space. But I need it, baby, I'm late. But I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy.
Okay, y'all. Oh, I got crumbs. I enjoyed it a little too much. But we finna go to Five Guys. Today was just like an eating day, honestly. Yeah, I still got crumbs. But that was a 10 out of 10. Would recommend. The tea was good, the boba was good, and I'm picky about my boba. The corn dogs was good, and the donuts was good. So like, overall, I will come back. We're gonna smoke. Of course, we smoked before we came in here as well. And then we're gonna go to Five Guys and get us some burgers.
Talking crazy, I need you running my space. But I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still check in with you.
That is right there. We're currently walking to Five Guys. It's a Saturday night, so downtown is kind of like busting. It ain't, but it is. Cause it's like a warm day. It was a warm day today, and it's Saturday, so. Okay, y'all, we at Five Guys, and it's packed in here too. I got my cup for my drink. I got me a bacon burger. So yeah, I'll show y'all when we get the food. Let's go. And we're 28.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high.
Y'all, I made a mess with my drink, but someone cleaned it up.
You made the mess.
And then look at the burger. It look good. I want to spill one on my shit. They got his milkshake. Okay, so I got my burger and the fries, and then Bay and his burger and fries. Then my sister, they forgot her fucking bacon on her burger, so bacon to put on the burger she had. So yeah, but we're gonna eat, and then I'll check in with y'all when we leave.
Right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs. dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet for your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really.
So they could have get on another
They said it's too packed for another burger to be making that. That's why I feel depending on the location, it might be ghetto.
So,
I was trying to have hope and say that we downtown so they was gonna get her another burger, but they was ghetto too. They had a tray of bacon. Should've known though. The way they hogging out with us.
that's how they thought they were going to go. You heard me? I said they're just going down.
Now, if she would've went up there around this time, they probably would've gave her a new burger. But the line was jumping when she went up there. I was like, somebody get her some bacon too. Like, somebody get her some bacon. No bowl. Okay, y'all. So we got to be here. Every time I get on this damn counter, I got crumbs on my face. Oh my god, my phone. Okay, y'all, so we are done and we're about to go home. Probably finna get a bottle because y'all when I get home, because my phone just died. My sister had a portable charger, so came in clutch. Okay, y'all, so we've been at the house for a minute now. I was almost asleep, honestly. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm up now and we smoking. And now we finna drink. Y'all wanted to do too much, so we got some damn unlimited. I mean, not unlimited. I keep saying unlimited. Limited edition. Don Julio. So this is how we look. So yeah, dangerous. We'll have Little on the rocks. We all got one. So yeah, that's the beverages for the night. And then we have some leftover Patron and some leftover Don Julio that hopefully we won't be drinking all of that. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so this is the end of the video. It concludes the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time in the next video.
Hate the game, baby. Do not hate me. Hate the game, baby. Do not hate me. Hate the game.